Hi, I know a lot of people wonder about the retweet button and should you use it, should you not use it? I personally rarely use it. But did you know that you can retweet something and then undo your retweet? Maybe you didn't realize that, so I'm going to show you how you could do it and why. First, let's talk about why. So, I have a whole blog post about why I don't use the retweet button most of the time. Because you don't get the analytics, right? So, and you want people to see you as the person sharing the information. That shows that you're a resource. But there are times when something is more urgent and it should be retweeted. And then when the event is over, you can undo it. I've done this recently with hurricane warnings and tornado warnings here in San Antonio. So let's get to it. So I'm using my how to get paid Twitter account that I use for tutorials. So here is the National Weather Service for Austin and San Antonio. If right here there's an update, there's a chance for severe weather. Expanded east. Right here where I live, it's moderate. So this is when I would retweet something, right? And so how it appears on my profile or on my timeline is like this. So there's my tweet, and then this is one of the reasons why I don't like it. When people go to your account, they should see that you're, it's your logo. Because when you go to the timeline, you'll see this is from Russell, this is a quote retweet or a retweet with a comment, which makes sense because what you're looking for is Russ's profile image. If you don't know Julian Romero, then you don't even care about that, right? So this will show up in the timeline for people. Like Amy, this shows up. Renee liked this tweet, so that's true. And I should respond to that, but I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, so let's see. So now let's say that it's over. Okay, go back to my profile. So I did this a couple of times with tornado warnings. So let's say it said it's moving through the I-35 corridor between 10 and 4 a.m. Let's say it's tomorrow. And now this is no longer relevant. If I hover over the retweet button on this tweet in my timeline, I can click undo retweet and then it's gone. So that's how you do it. It's a pretty great way of sharing information that's timely and important, but then you can go back and clean it up. Because did you know that people can turn off your retweets? That's another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.